my name is Omkar Gotikar. Today the topic of my presentation is laser alarm security system. Now we discuss what is laser. Laser is a light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now there is two type of laser. First is helium neon laser. Helium neon laser is a mixture of helium and neon gas. It is a type of gas laser. Now second is a ruby laser. Ruby laser is a mixture of chromium oxide and aluminum trioxide. Now we discuss about the introduction of laser alarm security system. Security is the most important factor today technology develops day by day in the world. The crime gang also improve their technology to perform their operation. So technology of security should be modern with time to protect the crime works. We decided to make a security project as our project. In this project we have used laser light to cover the large area. We know laser light goes through long distance without scattering effect. It also visible only at source and incident point, otherwise invisible. These 2 properties help us to build a modern security system, which may name as a laser security. When any person or object cross over the laser line, the security alarm ringing, and also the focus light will on the focus of entrance of the unauthorized person. We can make security boundary of single laser light by using mirror at every corner of reflection. Now this is the circuit diagram of laser alarm security system. Now we discuss about the components used in this project. First, LDR light dependent resistor. Second, BC547/BC548 NPN transistor. Third, resistor 6.6 kilo ohm. Fourth, laser diode 5 volt. Fifth, power supply 5 volt. Sixth, piezo speaker 5 volt buzzer. Seventh, SPST switch. And eighth, 2 reflective mirrors. Now we discuss the working of laser alarm security system. First is the circuit is based on LDR. LDR is a light dependent resistor, a variable resistor in which the resistance varies according to the light intensity falling on it. Second is the LDR and resistor are one from the potential divider network, which is the main part of the security alarm circuit. Third, we have already discussed about the transistors act as a switch. The same principle is used here. Fourth is the voltage drop across the LDR is used to drive the transistor switch when the voltage drop across above cutoff voltage 0.6 volt and transistor is turned on. Fifth, the LDR has a low resistance mega ohm range in the presence of light and high resistance mega ohm range in the absence of light. Sixth, in our alarm a laser light allowed to follow on the LDR continuously using 3 mirrors. See the project arrangement figure. Light from their source should not be fall on the LDR. So place the LDR on the box with single hole to pass laser. 8. In the situation the resistor upfed by LDR is too low since the laser light is continuously allowed to fall on the LDR surface. 9. The voltage drop across the LDR is also low, which is our Ohm's law, which is insufficient to turn on the transistor, so transistor remains in off state. 10. When a person makes block in the continuous flow of laser beam, the light falling on the LDR get blocked. Thus its resistance increases the high value of order 10 megavolt range according to the Ohm's law. Now we discuss the application of laser alarm security system. First application is it can be used in residential, commercial, industrial and military properties for protect against burglary or property damage as well as person protection against intruders. Second is call alarm, likewise protect vehicles and their contents. Third is prisons also use security system and control in inmates. Fourth is the setup can be used to check pets and babies cross a certain boundary. The next application is the circuit compression and setup of the laser security system is very simple. It is used a battery. The laser security system can be work even when there is a power outage. Next application is the laser security system can be used as safety lockers in our homes, where even the locker's code is hacked. It acts as an additional layer of the security. Apart from security system, this is best setup can be used to check their pets and babies cross the certain boundary. Now we discuss the uses and advantages of laser alarm security system. First, laser security system locks working. Laser door alarm is based on the interpretation of laser beam. The laser pointer is used to source of the light beam. Second is laser system. Laser technology produce will calculate distance of measuring their flight of the very short infrared light. Third is tape detection by laser system. It can be designed a very simple electronic project for demonstration of the science exhibition. It can be used. It also be made a mini or major project for electrical and electronic students. Fourth is the use of the system. The laser security system are high tech innovation that have gained popularity in home and office security system. Fifth application is the laser security system are high tech innovation that have gained popularity in home and office security system. And last application is these are used to expensive solution for security needs. Depending on cost and fast technological advancement, laser security system becoming more adaptable. Now we discuss the conclusion of this project. First, home security is a rapidly growing field and there are new and improved burglar alarm popping up every day. Second, with rapid advancement of technology, the field is turning out to be an area full of scope and new changes can be made to make it more efficient. Third, it has years to come because security is the prime importance to be one and all. Thank you all for listening my presentation on laser alarm security system.